My brothers notice everything, and before they start commenting on my skin this Rakhi, here's everything I am restocking from Nykaa Hot Pink sale. And no, this isn't one of those videos where I recommend 50 random products. This is a video about products that I have finished, loved, and I would happily order again. So if you're planning to shop from Nykaa Hot Pink sale, this video might save you a lot of money. Hello everyone, my name is Tanvi. Raksha Bandhan is round the corner, and this is the perfect time for me to shop from Nykaa Hot Pink sale and restock everything that's required for me for my skincare. But being very frank with you, I would still repurchase all these products even if it was not on sale. So let's get started. The first one being cleansers. I have two cleansers that I use. The first one being the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. This one's my favorite. This one's basically from normal to dry skin, and my skin being dry, it is really, really, really useful for my skin. Also, my skin is super sensitive and acne prone. I don't know to what extent should I tell you that, but this one's helped me a lot to get through my acne, and you can clearly see my skin now how much it has improved. The second one being the Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. You can already see it's over. So this one is just an alternative that I use instead of the CeraVe. If I do not want to use the CeraVe on some days, I just go with the Himalaya. Or if I'm traveling somewhere and I have forgot my face wash or my cleansers, then I would go for this one. It's my favorite, and I absolutely recommend this if you have an acne prone pimple skin. This is a magic. It's simple, it's cost effective, and it's amazing. The second one being the moisturizer. Again, I have two moisturizing creams. So this is the first one, the CeraVe moisturizing cream. This is again for my dry skin. This doesn't give me a oily texture because I have noticed one thing: too much of oily skin brings pimples on my face, and that's one thing I notice, and that's why I use this, because this isn't heavy on my skin. It's very, very lightweight. So I absolutely love this. The second one being the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. Again, this is for dry to normal skin. But I feel this is very oily for my skin. But फिर भी मैंने रखा है क्योंकि whenever I do makeup, I tend to use this one so that it gives me a nice finish. But the CeraVe one makes my makeup feel very, very dry. तो इसके वजह से I have kept the second one, that is the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. The next category is sunscreens. I use two sunscreens again. The first one being La Roche's sunscreen. I absolutely love. My skin is very dry, sensitive, and acne prone. And this sunscreen is literally very light on my skin and doesn't irritate my skin at all. The next sunscreen is the Nivea Sun Protect and Moisture. It has SPF 50 plus, and this is for my body. Since I need it in large quantity, this is budget friendly for everyday use and gives high protection from the sun. Okay, next category is my absolute favorite. It is serums that I use, and the first serum, it's my most favorite to be very precise, and it's the Ordinary Niacinamide. And I absolutely love into 100 this product because it's saved my skin from acne. Why I'm talking about acne here is, I as I told you, my skin is really acne prone, and I agree that you need a good cleanser, a good sunscreen, a good moisturizer, but above all, you need a good serum that helps your acne go down. And this serum has been the most magical one ever. I have literally told everybody around me who's asked me what I've done for my acne is just use this serum. Obviously, do a patch test before using, but I think if it suits me, it can suit anybody. So yeah, I absolutely love this serum, and I would not order one. I would literally order 3 to 4 serums of this, because this 30 ml serum only goes for 15 days. So I would just bring the whole stock, about 3 to 4 serum of the Ordinary. And if the Ordinary is watching me right now, then I just want to thank you guys for making this amazing serum that saved my life from acne. The second one is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. This one I recently started using about 6 months back, and this is basically for hydrating my skin, and I only use it in the night so that it repairs my skin. I use this now because my skin has got better from acne using the ordinary, so I make sure that I use the ordinary serum in the morning and use this in the night. But there are days where I use the ordinary serum in the night too if I get any pimple or breakouts in a month or any random day, but otherwise I use this in the night. The next category is hair masks, and this one is the Dove 10 in 1 Peptide Bond Strength Hair Mask, which I absolutely love because, okay, this has a back end story. I've never purchased on my own. I got this as a collaboration initially, and I was like, "Okay, it is a collaboration." But when I actually used this, it turned out magic in my hair, and from then on, I made sure that I use this every wash or every alternate wash because my scalp is very oily and my ends are very dry. So this one is a perfect balance. It just reduces my oiliness and it gives the smooth finish to my hair, where I can just flaunt. So I absolutely love this. Again, the second one, I will attach a picture here. It's got over and I threw the box, but it's the L'Oreal Absolute Repair hair mask, and even that has a story that I got it as a collaboration, but even that is absolute magic to my hair. The next thing is the ordinary again, the glycolic acid. It's very famous, as everybody knows, but this has also been a game changer for me, and I would repurchase it again and again. Again, the ordinary products, I'm not going to buy one, I'm going to buy maybe two, three, four, because I absolutely love their products. And I have strawberry legs, and this has helped me so much with it. Also, I haven't tried this on my scalp, but I've seen a lot of people doing it. So next time I would try and let you guys know about it. But this is definitely going to be my restock item every time, every time. It's my favorites. Like the ordinary products, I absolutely love it. It's been a game changer, and that's why I'm repeating. If you're watching, thank you is the only thing I can tell you. And it's very genuine, okay? These products are not sponsored. I have used it personally and I absolutely love it. Next category is the hair serum, and this is the Schwarzkopf hair serum that I absolutely love. Don't mind my pronunciation of this, but this is the only serum. I think this is the only product until now that I use it. Otherwise, every product has an alternative, and this one is my favorite. I've been using it for 4 5 years now, and why I'm telling you it's my favorite is because I told you my scalp is very oily, and any oily hair serum makes my scalp and hair even more oily. And this one is a cream based serum, and it is really good for my hair. So the next category is toners. Again, I have two toners. The first one being I am from Rice Toner. I usually prefer using rice toners because it suits my skin really well and it is good for sensitive skin as well. And this one is my favorite. Along with it, I wouldn't be biased. I love both of them. And this one is the second. It is the Wonder Rice Soothing Toner, and I love this. It is one of my favorite. There's no reasons why I use it. It suits my skin. I love it. I love it. I love it. The next one is the Linnet Sleeping Mask flavor berry. I love the flavor, first things first, and obviously it hydrates my lips, makes me feel smooth, and I use this before going to bed every day, and sometimes on days when I really want to use it during daytime also use this. Even on days when I do not want to use lipstick, lip glosses, I use this one. It's an amazing product. These are all the products that I genuinely finish and choose to buy again. And I think the biggest compliment that a skincare product can get is spending your own money to repurchase it second or the third time. I hope this video helped you if you're shopping from Nykaa. Now, I want to know what's the one product that you will be restocking from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. Let me know in the comments. I'm open for recommendations as well. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, have a good time. Bye.